Hello, welcome back to my channel. This time I will try Meguiar Detailer Citrus Blast Wash and Wax. It produces premium high gloss carnauba finish. It has quick rinse formula, powerful high lubricity cleaners, and it has sweet smell. The dilution ratio is 128 to 1, so it will be about 60 ml of shampoo with 3.78 liters of water. For this test, I will use about 1 to 10 ratio, so it will be around 60 ml of shampoo with 600 ml of water. Stir it well so it will mix better and will produce a very good foam. Now let's start with rinsing the vehicle first. I'm using Carter 2.360 with VP 180 for the connector. I like this setup because it spreads very wide water and I can control the tip of the sprayer very easily. The foam is not too thick compared to NXT or Gold Class, but it's quite okay. It almost looks like the ultimate wash and wax. As you can see, the foam is quite even and it covered the car very well. The foam actually, it didn't stay too long on the vertical panel. It's quite fast to go down, but it stays quite okay on the horizontal panel, like on the hood or on the top of the car. It is very sleek when you use your wash mitt to wipe the car, and I think it produced a very good gloss in the end of the wash after you dry it. And the one good thing is it's very easy for you to rinse off the foam of the car. So like not like any other Meguiar car washes that the foam is quite still there. You need to have a strong stream of water or a water wall technique to rinse off the foam away. Well, actually, I like the result of this car wash, maybe the best out of the others, and you can try it at home. Well, I think that's all for this video. See you on the next. See ya! Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel to watch other videos about car detailing.